You are my shepherd, I'll not want. You make me lie in green pastures. You lead me by the still, still waters. Your goodness will lead me home, and I will trust in you alone. Oh, I will trust in you alone, for your endless mercy follows me. Your goodness will lead me home. And though I walk the darkest path, I will not fear, I will